Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Calumet-city, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move occurs when you need to transport your belongings over a distance of 100 miles or more within or outside a state. Interstate moves arise within a single state, and interstate moves occur outside the state. It is normal to worry about how all your items will move over long distances without damage or delays. 3 Movers has experienced movers who provide quality moving services. Our movers handle all your things carefully. Our drivers are also very responsible, and we have licenses with the appropriate authorities in charge of moving belongings. Our drivers follow every highway rule and are careful when driving. Our trucks are especially made to accommodate and move both heavy and light belongings over long distances. The final result is you get your belongings on time and in excellent condition. We are the cheapest and best local movers in Calumet-city. Although local moves are generally less expensive than long-distance moves, our local moving services are the cheapest you can find. We charge between $30 and $40 an hour, which has made us a favorite of the locals. We work with your budget and at the same time deliver top-notch services. We have a good working relationship with our clients and keep them informed throughout the entire moving process. We have significant insurance policies that cover your items, and our services are fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Calumet-city moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.